Data analysts write reports, data engineers build pipelines, but who actually makes sure that the data in the reports are clean, reliable, and ready to use? That's the analytics engineer, a role that didn't exist a decade ago and is now one of the most in-demand positions on a data team. Let's break it down. Let's define analytics engineering by comparing it to other data roles. First, data engineers. They're the ones that bring raw data from a bunch of different sources into a data warehouse. On the other end, you have data analysts and data scientists. They take data that's already been cleaned and organized and use it for analysis, visualization, or machine learning. Now, analytics engineering sits right in the middle. Their job is to take raw data and transform it into something that's analytics ready. Now, to understand this in non-data terms, think of it like a restaurant. You've got grocery shoppers who bring in raw ingredients. You've got chefs who turn those ingredients into dishes. And in the middle, you've got prep cooks. They clean, chop, and organize everything so the chefs can actually do their job efficiently. And here's the thing. You don't need a prep cook to run a kitchen, and you don't need an analytics engineer to run a data team. But when you have one, each role can be done by someone who specializes in it, and the whole thing runs a lot more smoothly. So to define it more precisely, analytics engineers structure raw data for analytics teams, and they do so in a systematic, repeatable way, just like an engineer would. Not on the fly, but in a way that can be tested, documented, and reused. Now, what does this actually look like? On the left, you've got raw website event data, timestamps, user IDs, page URLs, and device types, which is pretty messy. Now, an analytics engineer would take that and transform it into something like what you would see on the right. Just date and URL, with page views already aggregated. That's clean and ready to query. So what skills does an analytics engineer need to do this? First, business understanding. So you know what questions your analysts are trying to answer. Then you have SQL and data modeling, which are the actual tools you use to make that transformation. And finally, you need technical proficiency, or having the engineering mindset to build something once and have it be reliable and reusable. And that's analytics engineering in a nutshell. If you want to learn more, my full AE 101 course at mavenanalytics.io is linked in the description. I cover real-world use cases, modern data stack tools, ETL versus ELT, and how it all fits together. My name is Alice Zhao, and I'll see you in the next video.